Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Our today topic is how to use titanium backup. First you will need to root your phone. Your phone will be rooted. Then you can use titanium backup. First I will show you my WhatsApp page login. Now I backup this with titanium backup. Backup is complete. Now I uninstall my WhatsApp. You see I am install my WhatsApp. Now I restore this with titanium backup. Restore Apple's data. WhatsApp is restored. You see my WhatsApp is login. There is no need of login. WhatsApp. My all data is saved. You can use what titanium backup many ways. Like when you install a custom ROM, you can easily restore your apps with data. This is very helpful for us. Thank you friend watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you friend for watching.